Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with complete GitLab CI/CD pipeline tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about GitLab artifacts, like how we can write a script to store artifacts of our pipeline and jobs. Okay, so there is some key point that I want to discuss first before going ahead and show you the practical. Okay, so like why we need artifacts in GitLab. So what is the main purpose and what is the main benefit of like using artifacts? So the first key point is sharing result. Artifacts allow us to share file or data between different stages, okay, and job as well, okay, in the GitLab pipeline. And second key point is persistence. So they ensure that important file like build, test and deploy result are saved for later reference or use. Okay, so like suppose you have developer team and you are building deploying some application, but they want whatever artifact is getting created, they want for their analysis, so that you can define the artifact stage in any job. Okay, in your CI/CD GitLab CI/CD pipeline you can define the artifacts as a section in your job, and artifacts will get stored. You can directly access or download, and you can share the link with the developer so they can do the analysis and they can achieve certain like criteria according to the requirement. Okay, so the job artifacts, every job is executed in a separate container, so by default no file are shared. Okay, so for different container we have different kind of artifact. Okay, so we cannot have or share multiple artifacts for a separate container. Okay, to save the build result we need to define the files or folder as artifacts. Okay, in GitLab we do this by using artifacts keyword. Okay, so let's go ahead and see in the real time. Okay, so here we have one project. Let me open this. It's taking bit time, so yeah, it's get open. So let me go here and click on edit, click on Web IDE, so I have defined two stages here, and we are not using artifacts to store we are not using a script to store artifacts here. Okay, so as we have seen in the document here, we have to define artifacts path and the path name where we want to store the artifacts. Okay, so let's go back and try it in real time. So we have to write artifacts. Okay, then we have to define path. Okay, and then the whatever path you want to. Okay, so that is build. So because we want to store our artifacts in cd build. Okay, build folder, or we can we can store it in build.txt as well, so there is no issue. So but I am directly storing in build directory. Okay, so same thing I will do it for test job as well. Okay, so let me arrange it. Let me write test. So it's done now. Let me commit this change and go to the build, click on the pipelines, and as you can see our pipeline is running, right? Click on the pipeline ID, and as you can see build gets succeeded. So click here And now you can see here we are getting the job artifacts option. These artifacts are the latest. They will not be deleted even if they expire until newer artifacts are available. Okay, so keep download. We can download the artifacts as well directly, and we can share with anyone, and we can browse the link. Okay, and we can share the link, this link with developer. If they have access, they can access this and they can use it for their analysis. Okay, and as you can see here, we have one build directory. Under build directory we have build.txt file. Okay, as we have defined here. Okay, first we have created build directory, then we change the directory as build, and we created the file touch build.txt. So we are storing our artifacts in build directory. Okay, so let's go back here and check the test stage as well. Go here and click on this stage, and it's also get succeeded, and there is also job artifacts option is available to download, keep and browse. Okay, so the same thing we can do it for this stage as well. Okay, so developer can use this link or this artifacts, and they can use it for their analysis. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding this video, please do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks, see you in the next video.